In this video, I'm going to show you something that might completely change the way you look at luxury SUVs. Because today, we're exploring the all-new 2026 Mercedes GLC, the SUV many are already calling the BMW X3 killer, and a model that surprisingly carries S-Class level comfort inside a compact body. And stay with me till the end, because I'll reveal one shocking, real-life feature that most people don't know about this new GLC. So let's begin. Here it is. The brand new 2026 Mercedes GLC, the next-generation successor to the global bestseller. And this time, Mercedes didn't hold back. They redesigned the entire platform, stretched the wheelbase for more interior room, and brought a cleaner, more futuristic front with new digital light headlamps that project sharper, brighter beams than ever before. Even the grille has been upgraded with a floating star pattern and optional illumination that gives the GLC a truly modern identity. Under the hood, you'll find a range of engines: mild hybrid, plug-in hybrid, and the one most people are searching about: the new improved 4 MATIC models. Torque delivery is quicker, the suspension has been retuned for comfort, and cabin vibration is so low that during city driving, you genuinely hear almost nothing from the engine. But the part that truly surprises everyone is the interior. Because when you step inside the 2026 GLC, it doesn't feel like a compact SUV. It feels like a mini S-Class. Soft touch leather everywhere, floating ambient lighting, new seat comfort padding, and Mercedes' latest hyperscreen style layout with 3 sleek digital surfaces. The seats now support improved cooling and heating, plus pressure point massage programs similar to the S-Class family. In the back, legroom has increased thanks to the longer wheelbase, and the panoramic roof with illuminated Mercedes star patterns turns the cabin into something truly premium. The tech package is also stronger than ever. 360-degree cameras, level 2 assisted driving, next-gen MBUX, voice assistant, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto, and double-glazed acoustic glass for ultra-quiet driving. And now, here's the amazing fact I promised you at the start. The 2026 Mercedes GLC is now one of the quietest SUVs in its class. During testing, interior noise levels at highway speed came so low that reviewers said you can literally hear your own breathing. That's how silent this cabin is, thanks to better insulation, new rubber bushings, and double-layer acoustic glass. So that's the brand new 2026 Mercedes GLC, a compact SUV with X3 level agility, S-Class level comfort, and Mercedes level luxury. If you want a modern daily SUV with top-tier comfort, silent driving, premium materials, and advanced tech, this new GLC is finally the upgrade many consumers were waiting for. Music fades out. Thanks for watching. And let me know, is the 2026 GLC really the X3 killer?